Hey, welcome back. Hit Niggers Outdoors. I'm David. Let's talk about a couple of things today. One, this hydraulic top link for your tractor. That thing is the cat's meow, but does have a couple of issues. Number one, first and foremost, it reduces your workload when you're actually got the implements mounted and you're grading out stuff, or you're using the landscape rake as we're doing today, or the box blade, or the landscape plane, or any other ground engaging implement that you may put on the back of this tractor. This hydraulic top link makes it a very simple job to do while you're actually working. And we'll demonstrate some of that with the landscape rake, which I have on today, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But the one drawback it has, unless you have a quick hitch assembly on the back of your tractor, it can be a booger bear. Because you know, when you get the implement mounted on the lift arms on the 3-point attachment, and then you're trying to get the length exactly right for your top link to go into the little hole, it's easy to do with the manual adjustable top link that you just turn a few times one direction or the other. You can make it longer or shorter, get it hooked up, and then adjust it as you need it. This, you don't have any leeway, brother. You've got to get it just right in order to get this thing to latch in. And if you got two people helping, that's not hard to do. But if you're by yourself, yeah, that can be a booger bear, because you're running, or especially with a cab tractor, you're running around to the front and you're beeping it a little bit forward. Oh crap, that was too much. You're beeping it back about half as much. Finally, you'll get it right, but you got to be holding your mouth just right to get it. However, all that being said, I think one of the best things you can do for your tractor is get you a hydraulic top link. First thing I would get would be a battery operated grease gun, but only if you want your tractor to last. This hydraulic top link was about $250. I'll put a link on Amazon below. It's a Cat 1 link, and I haven't had a lot of time to use it yet, but the time I've used, this thing takes, I mean, even if you're not mechanically inclined, you really can't spend more than 10 or 15 minutes putting this thing on, and that includes taking the other one off. So it's a very simple project to do, and I just think you ought to get one of those. Take a look at, here, let's extend this hydraulic top link out. And that's without dropping the lift at all. Let's raise that back up a little bit. Put the 3-point hitch down. And you can see you can change very easily from the cockpit the attack angle of those blades. So that's where your hydraulic top link comes in really handy. You can adjust the digging depth and the digging force, I mean literally just with this top link, without even messing with the 3-point hitch. If you got any questions on hydraulic top links, just drop them down in the comments below, and I'll give you my thoughts on them that I haven't given you already. But if I were doing a lot of grading work, this thing is a must. If I were doing it as a professional, I would have to have the top link and the side hitch, the side link, being both hydraulic, so you could do them both from the cockpit and the comfort of your cab or your seat without having to get off the tractor to do it. But you got any questions, give me a holler. We'll see you next time. Hit Niggers Outdoors. Bye.